Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English with Kavita Kapoor. Today I am there before you again with another interesting video, and through this video I am trying to convey a useful message, a meaningful message to you. And I hope that you will surely get my message. As everybody knows that it's very special occasion today, it's Father's Day, and every child in this world is wishing his or her father really a very happy Father's Day. Through a song, through a video, or through some words, they are just trying to express their emotions towards their father. First of all, I want to say that if we start writing or if we start describing the importance of our parents, especially our father, then we can't do that. Even we can't stop writing, because no words can describe the importance of our parents in our life. One thing. Second thing is that not only Father's Day is made for fathers, not only Mother's Day is made for our mothers, every day is gifted by our parents to us. Our life is gifted by our parents to us, so we should thank our parents daily for gifting us such a wonderful and amazing life. Means if we are having something very painful in our life, so we shouldn't blame our parents for that, because we are creating the problems in our life, and just because of our creation, sometimes we blame our parents. No, we shouldn't do that. We should thank our parents daily for showing us the world and for giving us such an amazing and wonderful, a beautiful life. We should make them realize daily that what you are for us, how much special you are for us, and we love you a lot and you mean the world to us. Every day is Father's Day, every day is Mother's Day if you respect your parents, if you love your parents. Yeah, it's good to show your emotions, to express your emotions towards your parents on this very special day, and these days are specially made for the fathers and mothers. But we shouldn't forget to love them, to respect them, to care about them daily, because they don't leave, our parents don't leave even a single chance to bring a smile on our face and to do something special for us. They don't leave even a single chance, so why should we leave? We shouldn't leave that. Even we are their wards, so being the responsible child, being the responsible children of our parents, it's our duty and responsibility to overcome the burden from their heads and to make them realize that you are really special for us and we can't imagine our life without you. Our parents mean the world to us. Without them, we are nothing. We are walking confidently in the world without having any problem. Do you know why? Because our parents are there behind us. Their support are there behind us. They are like our backbone. And without the backbone, we can't even stand. So, we should respect our parents daily. We should love our parents daily. We should make them realize that yes, your children love you a lot and you are everything for your children. So, our parents require only one thing from us. Only one thing, and that is the respect only. They will not ask anything else from you guys. They will just require only respect from you. So you should respect your parents. You should love your parents. Being a teacher, I always try to follow this thing. Being the daughter of my parents especially, because before the teacher, before the responsible citizen of the society, or before anything, I am the daughter of my parents. So being the daughter, I always try to respect my parents, to love my parents, to follow their instructions very nicely. I always try to make them realize that you are everything for me, how much special you are for me, I love you a lot. I always try to make them feel happy. And we all should do the same. We all should make them feel happy so that they can live their life happily, as they have given us the happiness a lot. They have sacrificed a lot. They have killed their desires for us only. They have compromised a lot. But now it's a time to take a step for our parents only. So, just take the resolution on the Father's Day. Not only on Father's Day, not only on Mother's Day. We will make every day Parents' Day, Siblings' Day, and we will make our family feel happy. We will bring the happiness on our family faces, and we will keep everybody's happy in our family. And every day will become Parents' Day. So that was all I wanted to say you. I hope that you like my video. If you like my video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to never miss another update from Kavita Kapoor. And at the end, Happy Father's Day to all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.